Hey beautiful people, my name is Kristen. Thank you for spending some time with me. I have got another Rocksbox. I did not keep anything in my last one. I wore all the pieces for a couple days and then I thought it's taking a little bit longer for shipping and you have $21, that's a rental fee, but you can apply it to anything that you keep. And when I decided I probably wasn't going to keep any of those three pieces, I just put them in the box and sent them back because I wanted to allow enough time to still get another box this month, and it came quick. Here's the Rocksbox. I have not looked at it yet, so we will see. And I just, whatever they sent, they do send you a little preview in an email, and I just click send it. I didn't even really, you can swap out pieces, maybe all three. I've never actually tried to swap. I figure I will try whatever they send, right? So you get a little box with the bags, and oh, this one's got a dusk. I think that's a necklace. I usually get a necklace and a bracelet and a ring. That's just what they send. I don't do earrings, only for very special occasions. So here's the first piece. Where's my little card to tell me about it? It says, hey gorgeous. So this is Sophie Harper, the Rainbow Crystal Cuff for $46. So you can see if it can focus well. It's got different rainbow colors. Not really, I was looking for like reds, or these are kind of spring colors. I really like that. So let's pop that on and see what we got. Yeah, it's dainty. If I kept it, I would close it just a little bit more around my wrist. My wrist is pretty thin. But that would be a great layering. This would layer with a lot of things. That I would probably keep because, again, $46, and then I've paid $21 to rent the jewelry. So if I kept it, then that makes it $25. So might be a keepable piece. Let's open the next one. Easier said than done. This says Dusk, so I think this is a necklace that's going to match my bracelet. I'd forgotten I was going to get this. I might try it on and compare it to the bracelet that I kept. So here is the necklace, and those are little opals and little crystals. It's like, where's the camera? There we go. I think that focused. Trying to watch my camera to make sure it's in focus. All right, it is a little bit adjustable for different lengths. I took off all my jewelry right before I filmed. All right, let's see how this lays, or if it's gonna flip. You know those necklaces that can flip around on you as you're wearing it? Let me get my hair all out. No, I think it falls pretty easy. Let me turn off, dim the, yeah, no, I think that's really dainty and pretty. I love opals. All right, hold on one second, I'll get the matching bracelet. So this is the bracelet that I got a few previous boxes. So it's got the crystals and the opals. And it's got a bolero type connector, but this is the one that I think matches this one. And then this is my mother's ring. This was the first piece of really expensive jewelry that my father bought for my mother. And it's the opals on the real gold. And it's, besides my wedding band, this is probably my most important jewelry because it's sentimental and it's gorgeous. And I just love how it looks with this. And it's interesting because when, I don't know if you're going to be able to see, when I got this, there's a little kink where the links are separating out. And so it was like that when I got it. So I emailed them and they basically said they were low on inventory and couldn't guarantee replacing it. but go ahead and send it back because it wasn't supposed to be damaged, of course, and I didn't want to send it back, so they gave me a $10 discount, or it wasn't really a discount on the thing. They said they couldn't discount the pieces, they wanted it back, but they gave me a $10 credit for my inconvenience of going through the experience, and then I used it to keep the bracelet and not send it back because it matches so well with my ring, right? And now I have this necklace, so I'm pretty much probably going to keep the necklace. How much was it again? It is Dusk, the Gemma choker in gold. It's $59. So not totally cheap, but I think those are real opals, and I like it. It's a cute look. So I don't know that you wanted to know all that, but welcome to my life and random videos. So let's look at the last piece. Oh, this is cute. I forget what's coming. This is by Aster, the Calantha ring in gold. So it's like, it kind of reminded me of like the crown of thorns or vines, something like Lord of the Rings, or, and usually I like to wear things on this finger, and I thought it might be a nice compliment to this. I did not actually put this on my wish list. They picked this out for me. So you can go on and put wish list things that you want to get. And I might have had this bracelet on my wish list. I definitely had this on my wish list. I definitely had this on my wish list because I knew it matched the bracelet. I might have had the bracelet, but this I did not have on my wish list, and they just picked it for me. So I will wear it for a few days and see if it's comfortable, see if it's the right, it maybe is a teeny bit loose. So yeah, but this bracelet, this ring, and this. And the other thing is because you can keep it as long as you want, send it back as many times as you want. If I decide I want to keep all 3 pieces, what I do to make it more affordable for me is take 3 months. And I buy 1 piece 1 month with my $21 credit, and 1 piece 1 month with my $21 credit, and 1 piece the next month. So I have done that before, which is why you didn't see a lot of Rocksbox for like 2 or 3 months. So I'll wear these, see what I want to keep, and we will let you know. Do you want to know? I don't really come back and say what pieces I've kept. I could come back at the end of each Rocksbox and say which ones I kept from the previous box, so I can start doing that. My previous box that I can link a little eye up there, I did not keep anything out of that box. I just sent it back and got these 3, and now I'm going to consider these 3. So thank you for taking some time watching. Y'all have a super blessed day. Hope to see you soon.